Hi everyone! Welcome to The Science of Easy Vegan Baking, a course to show beginner bakers how to make no-nonsense healthier desserts with no animal byproducts and as few ingredients as possible. I'm Samita Sarkar, author of the vegan cookbook Taste Tests. After studying science, nutrition, and chemistry at Athabasca University, I designed this course so that people with little to no background in cooking or nutrition could learn all the classic dessert staples: cakes, cupcakes, cookies, and pies, even frosting, all in a self-paced course that can take as little as 10 days. The course includes simple kitchen ingredients, unrefined where possible. No trips to a specialty food store are required. The science behind the recipes is also described. You'll soon learn the hows and whys of exactly what you're making. This course is perfect for people of all ages who are interested in learning how to bake. Even for parents with children, piquing their interest in kitchen chemistry at a young age. After this class, you will never need to buy a boxed cake mix again. Thank you so much, and I hope you enjoy this class.